Still looking for activities for Christmas. I do have an idea, but I'm still looking. Like, have you found all your activities, the things you want to do? I'm looking forward to going places, possibly, and watch some decoration, look around the neighborhood and look at people's decoration. I mean the outdoor decorations. Just looking forward to that. I'm eager, I'm happy, I'm ready. Yes, I'm walking around and this is pretty. Yes, enjoying nature, putting in my steps as I'm doing this, relaxing myself. I know I've not seen so many of you in a long time, but I'm like, let me walk this walk. I'm sorry I'm not really showing you around, but you can see me. Enjoy me. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me if you see me, I'm pausing. Taking some pictures. I'm taking some pictures because yes, the background, I love the trees, the color of the trees. Yes. Oops. Guys, this is what happens. Yes, that's it. It took me a minute to just appreciate me and take a picture of me with the nice leaves. The background was looking beautiful. Yes. Now this is it, and I hope I crop it out. I'm sure I won't. So if you're struggling with creating your content, I mean, content is what you want it to be. Yes, anything you want, it can be content. Anything you want. So I just walked out. It's chilly, getting ready for my day. I'm like, let me pull out my camera and just record something so I can share my December. Those trees are very beautiful. I don't have such trees. That's beautiful. So I love them. I was like, let me go by. I accidentally got there. So guys, be kind, be nice. This is December. Just love life. Okay, love you. Bye bye. Ooh, am I saying goodbye? Yes, bye bye.